Here's what you need to know before you dive into B7. On questions like these where we only have addition, we can ignore the parentheses entirely and just focus on combining like terms. So we can add 2 plus 5 to get 7, so our final answer is s plus 7. So once again, if we only have addition, we can get rid of the parentheses and just combine like terms. So in this case, 1 plus 2 is 3, so our answer is f plus 3. In questions like these where we have a number that's touching the parentheses, we need to multiply. And since 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 4c is 8c. So once again, if we see a number that's touching the parentheses, we just multiply. 2 times 3z is 6z. Next, we have a number that's touching the parentheses, except this time inside of the parentheses, we have two terms, 3 and negative b. So according to the distributive property, we need to multiply negative 3 by both terms separately. So negative 3 times 3 is negative 9, and negative 3 times negative b is positive 3b. So our final answer is negative 9 plus 3b. Although this question looks a little different, it's essentially the same as the last one. Notice how in our first set of parentheses we have two terms, and in our second set of parentheses we only have one term. According to the distributive property, we need to distribute our solo term to both terms inside of the parentheses. So we'll start by multiplying 2 times negative 10 to get negative 20, then 2 times 2t to get 4t. So our final answer is negative 20 plus 4t. Next, how can you support this channel to continue making videos? Well, it's pretty easy. You just need to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. So to recap what we've learned, if you only see addition or subtraction, you can ignore the parentheses and combine like terms. So in this case, 2 plus 2 is 4, so our answer is k plus 4. If you ever see a term that's touching parentheses, whether it's in parentheses or not, you need to multiply. In this case, we have one term on each, so we just multiply 7v times negative 4. Negative 4 times 7 is negative 28, so our answer is negative 28v. Then lastly, if we have to multiply by more than one term, we need to distribute it to each term separately. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, 2 times 2s is 4s, so our final answer is negative 6 plus 4s. Well, that's all I've got for this lesson. If you want to see more content just like this, check out the Algebra 1 IXL playlist right here. This is Mr. Leo with Epic Math. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.